Welcome to the National Institute of Academics. What is global warming? Global warming is a long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. It is a key aspect of climate change, which refers to long-term changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and other climate indicators on a global scale. Here is a detailed explanation of global warming. Greenhouse effect. The Earth's atmosphere acts like a blanket, trapping some of the sun's energy and keeping the planet warm. This natural process is known as the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide CO2, methane CH4, nitrous oxide N2O, and water vapor, play a crucial role in trapping heat in the atmosphere and regulating Earth's temperature. Enhanced greenhouse effect. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, deforestation, industrial processes, and agriculture, have significantly increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This enhanced greenhouse effect leads to more heat being trapped, causing the Earth's surface temperature to rise. Temperature trends. Scientists have observed a steady increase in global average temperatures over the past century. This warming trend is supported by various lines of evidence, including temperature records, ice core data, satellite observations, and climate models. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) has concluded that human activities are the primary driver of the recent global warming. Impacts of global warming. Global warming has far-reaching impacts on Earth's climate system and ecosystems. These impacts include rising sea levels due to the melting of ice caps and glaciers, more frequent and intense heat waves, changes in precipitation patterns, leading to droughts and floods, shifts in ecosystems and habitats, and increased risks to human health from extreme weather events. Feedback mechanisms. Global warming can trigger feedback mechanisms that amplify the warming effect. For example, as Arctic ice melts, it reduces the Earth's albedo reflectivity, causing more sunlight to be absorbed by the ocean, leading to further warming. Thawing permafrost releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas, which further contributes to warming. Mitigation and adaptation. Addressing global warming requires both mitigation efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adaptation measures to cope with the impacts of climate change that are already occurring. Mitigation strategies include transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, preserving forests, and promoting sustainable land use practices. Adaptation measures involve building resilient infrastructure, enhancing water management systems, and developing early warning systems for extreme weather events. International cooperation. Global warming is a global issue that requires international cooperation and collective action. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015, is a landmark international treaty that aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and pursue efforts to limit the temperature increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. The agreement calls on countries to set emission reduction targets and regularly report on their progress. In summary, global warming is a significant and urgent challenge that poses serious risks to the environment, human health, and economies worldwide. Addressing global warming requires concerted efforts at the local, national, and international levels to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, adapt to climate impacts, and build a more sustainable and resilient future for all.